MongoDB step by step. Welcome to this course on MongoDB. We'll begin with basic database concepts and then introduce you to NoSQL databases. We then take it forward introducing concepts of MongoDB and installing MongoDB. We then proceed to understanding the MongoDB environment. Next we take up CRUD and aggregation using the MongoDB shell. We'll be using Node.js to introduce app development using MongoDB. We cover the Express web framework and the Node.js MongoDB driver. We round it with simple Node.js CRUD applications. Prerequisites and goals. The course is self-sufficient. A basic understanding of programming would be helpful. A computer would be required to install and run MongoDB and Node.js. At the end of this course, you should be able to write basic programs in Node.js that can interface with a MongoDB database. Now coming to the syllabus, part 1 is the introduction to MongoDB covering the CAP theorem. We'll elaborate the CAP theorem. We'll correlate it to database types. Then we have an introduction to MongoDB, an introduction to NoSQL, the key value databases, document databases, good use case of MongoDB and not so good use cases of MongoDB. Part 2 is MongoDB installation. We cover Windows installation. We have a Windows installation demo, Linux installation and OS X installation. Part 3 is the introduction to MongoDB. We cover the core components including Mongod, Mongoose, Mongo, MongoDump, MongoRestore, BisandDump, Mongo Export, Mongo Import and Mongo Oplog. Part 4 is the MongoDB environment, where we cover the MongoDB architecture and we set up a replica set. Part 5 includes MongoDB concepts, an introduction, a demo of Mongod and a demo of the Mongo shell. Part 6 is CRUD using the MongoDB shell. Part 1 is create, then we have the read basic, read advanced, update and delete. Part 7 covers schema design. Part 8 covers indexes with an introduction, a basic demo, detailing the explain parameters and finally a demo using explain. Part 9 covers aggregation concepts and a demo using aggregation. In part 10, we begin understanding Node.js. We have an introduction, an installation, and REPL demo. We have a simple Node.js application and a study of callbacks and timing involved in callbacks. Part 11 introduces you to NPM, the commands and Express. We also have a demo for the installation of Express. Part 12 goes further into the study of Express. We have a simple HTTP server and we keep on adding value to the server with a handler and finally using Express for CRUD applications, URL and form passing. And the final part, which uses the MongoDB driver for Node.js to carry out CRUD applications on a MongoDB database. We connect to the database and run create, read, update and delete operations.